Hey guys, this is Jasveena Chaudhary and you're watching another vlog of mine. This is the first video of the Dubai series and I'm really excited to share the journey, how I have traveled all the way from Guwahati, Assam to Dubai, United Arab Emirates. So guys, first we took a flight from Guwahati to Delhi and then from Delhi to Dubai since there are no direct flights from Assam to Dubai. So guys, you're going to see the journey, how we traveled, and then what has exactly happened at the Dubai airport, how did we go from airport to hotel, then what did we do at the hotel, the first day, the first activity and all of it. So you're going to see all of it in this video, so stay tuned. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then now is the time. I recommend you to do so because that is going to motivate me further to make more videos. So please subscribe to my channel, and yes, now let's continue with the video. Here begins the journey from Guwahati, Assam to all the way to Dubai. And first we are taking a flight from Guwahati to Delhi, and then the next evening we are taking a flight from Delhi to Dubai. The entire process of boarding a flight was done in a very systematic, organized and with social distance, be it was Guwahati Airport, Delhi or Dubai Airport. So here you can see my boarding pass and you can see my family too. They were pretty excited with all the safety measures that they have to take to board the flight. So now we are inside the flight and it's the runway process, and soon we are going to take off from Guwahati to Delhi. So we reached at Delhi airport quite late at night, and our next flight was from Delhi to Dubai the very next day but evening. So we decided to stay the entire night and the next day at a hotel nearby to the Delhi airport. It was a pretty decent and comfortable stay, I would say. So here we are at the Delhi Airport International Departure and we are standing at a queue. We already had our boarding pass, we just had to drop in our baggage, and you can see that is my visa, passport, my boarding pass, and I'm really excited to take the next flight, which is for Dubai. But before that, we had to go for our immigration process and security check-in. So once we were done with the immigration process, we had some evening snacks and then we boarded our flight. And inside the flight, after a point, I was getting bored, so I was randomly making some videos just to kill the time of 3.5 hours, I believe. Can you see that tall structure? That is Burj Khalifa, and finally we reached the city of gold, Dubai. Once we reached at the Dubai airport, the immigration process, the mandatory COVID test, which is free of cost, was done in less than 30 minutes. And then it was time to take our luggage from the airport and head to a hotel which is in Al Barsha. Since we were 4 people, we had to take the van taxi, bigger taxi that is. But if you just do, you can take the regular ones. They cost almost the same. You can see that is Burj Khalifa. It looks so beautiful at night. And yes guys, so from the airport to the hotel in Al Barsha, it almost costed us around 100 dirhams, which is like 2000 INR in Indian currency, and that is our hotel, Castles Al Barsha. That's our luggage. So now it's time to give you a not so quick room tour. So since we were 4 people, we had to take 2 rooms, of course, and it was almost like a family suite. And this is the first room of my mom and dad's, and now you can see once you enter there's a mirror that you can see on the right. Again on the right there's the washroom slash bathroom slash toilet, so you can see that is the bathtub, and once I saw it I just wanted to relax with some hot water. And yes, there's a hair dryer and there's a phone for emergency calling. That's a huge mirror with yellow lighting, perfect for makeup. And yes, they have provided some toiletries. It's a clean, decent bathroom, I would say. And yeah, this side is the toilet section. So you can see that there's a commode that is given, which is good. And yeah, that is bidet. So bidet is a European concept. I would recommend you to Google it. You'll get a better information about it. I don't want to say anything. So it's a decent washroom slash bathroom slash toilet, like I mentioned. Moving on, this side is the sliding wardrobe with a safe locker where you can reset your passcode and you can keep your valuable. And again, this side is the place where you can set your room temperature. So since it's a centralized room, so you can set the temperature according to your needs and preference. And yes, this side is a mirror and table lamp. There's a kettle and a refrigerator inside that box. And this is a bed, so yeah, there's a pair of sofa set, you can relax. So that is my mom and dad's room, and now let's go to our room from mom and dad's room. So it's a connecting room. And yes, this side you can see there's a mirror. I don't know why the light is flickering. So yeah, there are 2 single beds for me and my sister. So again, the same thing, a set of single sofa, there's a TV like in the previous room, and yeah, you can see the lights are flickering, God knows why. So on the right there's a sliding wardrobe like the similar one that we saw earlier. So let's open it. So there's a safe locker again, you can reset the passcode and keep the valuables, and the lights are flickering. Now let's get inside the washroom slash bathroom slash toilet. So that is me and my sister. So let's show you. So there's a hair dryer again and some toiletries. And that's the telephone for some emergency calling. And this side is the toilet section. So yeah, it's the same thing. And this side is the bathtub, and I cannot wait to just get inside it with some hot water to relax. Now let's go out of this washroom, and yeah, this is a pretty decent room. I mean, like a pair of rooms that we got, and don't mind staying for the next 9 days. Later that night we came to this restaurant which was right in front of our hotel. So that is Casals Al Barsha where we are staying, and there's a supermarket as well. So it was a pretty good neighborhood, I would say. And we ordered Indian meal for the first night. We were really starving, so we ordered for some non-veg, veg, rice and salad, and it was sufficient for us. It was about 70 to 75 dirhams if I'm not wrong. And yes, we just wanted to eat and then go to sleep. So it was the next morning and a fresh start. It was a beautiful day to start with. And yes, you can see that's my sister who is trying to do some exercise to reduce that stubborn belly fat she has. And that is my mom and dad's room. So we had our breakfast and now we are going to the pool area to kill the time. So remember we did our COVID test that was mandatory at Dubai airport. So we were waiting for the result to come out. So yeah, the result would come in our phone being negative, and then we can go out and explore and do our activities. So for now we are going to the pool area at the hotel to just kill the time.
Hi.
Papa, Papa, how are you liking it?
Very much.
The first day of Dubai
2020
of 2021 it is.
or 2020.
Yeah. So how is it 2021 treating you?
Nice.
The first day of quarantine at Dubai, the 24 hours quarantine. So right now we are at the jacuzzi.
I'm going there now.
Where are you going?
I will swim there.
You'll swim there? Isn't it cold?
Yes, too much cold.
Too much cold? Then how can you go?
I'll go.
You'll go. So that's the pool. Okay, cool. Bye.
Hi.
And my sister is trying to float in a jacuzzi. Wow. Later that afternoon, we got our results being negative, so it took 15 to 16 hours and not 24 hours. So, yeah, pretty fast. So, we got ready and then we went to a mall nearby to our hotel, which was Mall of Emirates. So, yes. Once we reached at the Mall of Emirates, we decided to take 3 local SIM cards for my parents and my sister. My number was already activated for international roaming plan from India. So there are 2 connections in Dubai, Do and Etisalat. We took 3 Do SIM cards and the starting plan is 50 dirhams per SIM. So guys, the process time is 5 to 10 minutes to get activated and the documents required are passport and visa. Also, you can take these local SIM cards from airport or any of the malls but not local stores. Local stores you can just recharge if you need in future. Can you see? There are so many high-end brands and other brands in this mall, and the way they have designed, the architect is so mesmerizing. I absolutely fell in love with it. Also, I was excited for my first Dubai activity, which was in the Mall of Emirates itself in the ground floor, which is Ski Dubai. So Ski Dubai has different activity packages. We opted for Snow Classic, which had about 6 to 7 snow rides and the March show of Penguin. But we reached at that place by 8 p.m. and the last show of Penguin March show was almost over by then. So the time we saw, I totally forgot to record it, that I had to vlog as well. So I could record only the ending part, but how much ever we saw, it was so cute and adorable. And now it was time to explore this mesmerizing and beautiful snow place. Guys, it was so cold and like I tried to touch the ice and it was chilling, like really cold. First activity of Dubai and it was so beautiful. The entire place, it felt so surreal, guys, and it was -4 degree. Can you believe it? It was freezing cold, but we absolutely loved it. The way they have built this snow place, and you can see this place looks so magical. And there were activities as well. So that's my sister. So there are a few activities that you can see right here, which is in this place. So we are going to do a couple of it, not all, because it was cold and I'm scared as well. So that's my sister. And now it's time for the chairlift ride. So here we go. Yes. It was so scary, you guys, to get onto these rides. So that's me and my sister, and it was absolutely freezing cold, you guys. Every time I took off the gloves to record, like for vlogging, it was spine chilling cold, you guys. But then the view that we got from the chairlift ride activity, it was so magical and surreal. Maybe this is not justifying the way I have recorded, but it was too beautiful, and it's so much worth to go and do this activity. So it was time for the next super fun slide ride activity, and it was super cold, freezing cold, you guys. But we were really excited for this because we never did any activity in snow places. So we were pretty excited. So here we are going to the top for the next ride that you're going to see in some time.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh God. I so wish I had an action camera to record this. It was super fun, you guys. The more time we spent at this place, the more freezing it was getting. But this place looked so surreal and magical. We can't get over it. We absolutely loved this activity at Mall of Emirates, you guys. This is so beautiful. And then it was time for some tempting, yummy hot chocolate. It was spine chilling cold weather, and on top of that hot chocolate, it was so good. With this, we left the Mall of Emirates, and Dad and I, we had some fast food here and there, so we were too full. But my sister and mom, they were hungry, so they had some meal at night, and it was good apparently. So yes, this was the first video of Dubai series, you guys. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed watching this vlog. If you did, then please hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel if you still haven't, and also you can hit the bell icon to get the notification at the earliest whenever I upload a vlog next on my YouTube. So guys, you can also follow me on my Instagram. The ID will be right here. So yes, that's my ID. You can follow me on my Instagram account, and yes, that's about it. You can also follow from the link given in the description box below. You can comment down below if you have any queries or any suggestions or feedbacks, or you can DM me also on my Instagram. So yes, that's about it, guys. There will be few more videos of Dubai series, and I hope you watch it all. And also I've uploaded a vlog already about travel information, how you can travel from India to Dubai during this pandemic situation. I've covered everything, starting from your flights, travel information, currency exchange, activity bookings, everything. So do watch that. It's going to be very beneficial if you have any plans to travel during this situation. So yes, that's about it, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.